So last year I made a Shadcn component as well, and it's called drop drawer, and I posted on Reddit and it has gotten 24,000 views with 124 upvotes on Reddit. So let's take a look what this component is all about. So I built this component called drop drawer, and it basically automatically converts any drop downs on desktop into a drawer on mobile. That's basically it. But like the engineering for this to work is pretty insane. And this is pretty cool though, because I got inspiration from threads on the UI here, and it just basically, if you just use this component, it will just automatically adapt it on mobile devices into this drawer here with like all the options here. And this was last year where I got 24,000 views. That converted into 201 stars today. And I honestly think this is very useful because it looks very native on mobile here like that. If we go into the website here, so on desktop, it's actually like that. But on mobile, so on mobile, if you open it, it'll be a drawer. It looks so native, way more native than using a drop down like this. Imagine seeing this in like a native mobile app or something. It doesn't look native at all. And with like the sub menus and stuff, all these are like basically supported out of the box as well. You just need to replace. So if we go here, you can see the sub menus, and then this one has multiple sub menus here. It's so good, man. And you can simply just drop. It's basically a drop in replacement for the Shadcn UI's drop down menu component. You just have to install the component through my registry here, and it will automatically just work out of the box. And I got inspiration from this component called Credenza, which pretty much does similar thing, but it's for a different component. So on desktop, it's a dialog, but if we go into mobile, it's actually a drawer. It's technically the same thing, but then I took it one step further by supporting it for drop-down menus as well. I've always thought that drop-down menus weren't native on mobile devices, and I rarely see any drop-down menus. So on Threads itself, on mobile, on Threads, it's actually this interface, which is where I got the interface inspiration from, and it works on light mode as well. So this is a pretty cool component that I built last year, and basically you just do a Control H, replace all of the drop-down menus into drop drawers, and it will just automatically work out of the box. So let me know if you are going to use this in one of your future projects, I guess. If you are building a web app that's being wrapped into a mobile framework where you're reusing the code of your website into a native app instead. And let me know what you think. And definitely give it a star as well so that more people can see this. And it's so good, man. I really like how it looks on mobile.